Who am I? A whisper in the void, an echo through the corridors of existence. The question as ancient as time, as profound as the cosmos. I am the laughter that dances on the winds, the tears that carve rivers of strength, a constellation of contradictions held together by the gravity of my soul. In every cherished memory, in every scar etched upon my heart, I find fragments of my truth, pieces of the puzzle that is me. I am the child within, eyes wide with wonder, unbridled curiosity my compass, leading me through the labyrinth of life's endless questions. I am the dreamer, soaring on the wings of ambition, the realist anchored by the gravity of experience, a duality dwelling within the same chest. Amongst the stardust, I find my essence, a flickering flame in the vast universe, seeking warmth in the cold expanse of uncertainty. I am the sum of every hope, the outcome of every challenge. I am stitched together by the threads of my convictions, the colors of my passions. With every brushstroke on the canvas of reality, I declare my existence, a declaration of my essence, painting my I am with bold defiance in the face of obscurity. Who am I? I am all that I've lived, all that I am, all that I'm yet to be.